Zaga, this is BeenieMan telling you to tune in to Let's Talk Dancehall with me, the king of the dancehall. So, all the fans and well-wishers. Talk about quality and relatability of 2016 dancehall music. 2016 dancehall music is the same music from 2015, but the music now is kind of, it changes different from the original dancehall music from tape days and recording days. It's all computerized, so a man can have a phone and make a music, a man can have a computer and make a music. The quality is different, very different, because you have music released without mixing, you have music released without mastering. You have a man just make a song and just put it out. You have a man sing a song in the bathroom and say, him are the artist thing. So the music change a lot, but you have to adjust and adapt. So you, as the artist, have to make quality music. So make sure that quality music is still here, you know. Not saying that anybody else is not making quality music, or quality music is making, you know, because if the people them love it and dance to it, you know, that make it quality to their ears, you know. Yeah, not to a musician's ears, but you know, some Jamaican don't even listen to dancehall, you know. You know, you have some Jamaican listen to house music, you have some Jamaican listen to hip-hop music, you have some Jamaican listen to R&B music. Majority of Jamaican that listen to dancehall love dancehall regardless of who running or who is this or who is that. They still respect and love the veteran artists, because without them, I wouldn't have no show, you understand? So I can't say the people them don't love the music. The people them still love and support I and I as a veteran artist. Them still love and support Toots. Them still love and support even ska music. So if you, as an artist that making music today and the people is not supporting you, you have to capture the art of the people with your music, because that is what I do. So yeah, I still feel the people them love and respect the authenticity of the music and the new music put together, because 90s still around the place. So hello. See what I say? More artists are DJ from them belly, you know? And really. Yeah, stop DJ for them nose and take the note. So when you go up on stage, you know, half key. When you go up on stage, you can actually deliver and without running across the street 2 times and tired. We are like to see some real DJ right now, like seriously. The DJ them bad enough, studio wise, lyrical wise, them bad. Can't take that from them. See it? But performance, yeah. Buying the music is very important to any artist, because to have music sell, like to actually have your music sell, that somebody in their house playing your music is very important to you. Because if you bake a bread, you would like to open a bakery. So if somebody else don't taste the bread, for say the bread tastes nice, nobody not gonna know say the bread nice. So if somebody buy the record, somebody actually hear say 1 copy sell, so the next person gonna buy 2, the next person gonna buy 3. So buying the music is very important. Whether you buy it bootleg, buy it online, buy it in the record shop, as long as somebody is listening to you, otherwise from you, that is very important to any artist. Try remember that. If you remember my hot album, when I say my hot album, Unstoppable, because we are. Yes, they cannot stop us. Yes, until death do us part, I will be making music. Support my album. Yes, I'm telling you, all fans and well-wishers, go buy a copy, man, or buy a couple. Christmas a come, give somebody a Christmas present. New Year come, give somebody one for New Year. Buy one for yourself. If it's a man, buy one for your girlfriend. If it's a girl, buy one for your boyfriend. Buy one for your mother. Buy one for your grandmother. Buy one for your little brother, your little sister. Go and support the album, iTunes and Amazon. Or buy the nearest record store. Just go buy one. I call VP, Zaga. Listen, I am not a Christian, I'm a Rastafarian, and I don't go against Christianity, I don't go against religion and organized group. But dancehall music is our music, you know, regardless of what it portrays in its Jamaican culture. Regardless, people are dancing a dance, people are whining in a house, people are dancing a bus. Dancehall portrayed in a picture or a painting, that is what they're going to draw, because that is the mind settings of dancehall. Now, if we're going to a church, we're going to see a picture of Jesus Christ. We as dancehall people is not going to say, do not put a picture of Jesus Christ in our veranda because it's not appropriate. We're not going to say Kevin Downswell cannot come and sing on a dancehall show because it's not appropriate. We're not going to say Lieutenant Stitchie cannot perform and sing because it's not appropriate. Do unto others like you love others do unto you. Please respect and love dancehall like how we love and respect Christianity. Blessing. This is BeenieMan, the king of dancehall, and I'm out. Good.